bịa tọrịrị ilo nwa ya bịa n'obịa izu ụka nọrọ abịa bịa onye nu ya kọrọ ibe ya o.
Ije echonu ka ị nọ ihe igwe dị na-akpọ anyị ka ị gọma Icheduka ije ọgụ ka ị jee mere iwe ji agbọrọ ndị ụmụ okorobịa ngwa ka ị gaa Igwe ndị iche welcome Ugwueze wetara ya otu ndị iche abịala ndị iche ndewo nwanyị ọma ọ dị eze n'aka Chineke kere ụwa anyị toji a anyị ga-achọta ndụ narị isi ike ise anyị toji a anyị ga-achọta ihe ọma na eke ise n'orie ise n'afọ ise na nkwọ ise ndị iche were today that my daughter Aledo is back from America and I want her to pick a husband from this village because as you can see I am old and I want an heir to my throne. Igwe, you have done the right thing. Ndị Igbo, ọ bụ eziokwu? My daughter, you are welcome. My daughter, I want you to pick a husband from this village because I am old and I want an heir to my throne. Mom, Dad, it's almost time for me to get married. Anyway, if it's a man from this village, the man must have all it takes to be my husband.
Are you hearing what I'm hearing? That the Igwe wants all the men in this village to gather in his compound just because of his daughter.
My sister, I heard though. Who does she think she is, sir? I even heard that the princess said that the man must surely have what it takes to be her husband.
Abeg, let's go.
Igwe, my name is Unduka and I am a farmer. Igwe, I'm here to marry your daughter, the princess. Igwe, in my farm, I have vegetables, okra, and cassava, and so other food. Igwe, if your daughter marry me, the princess, between 2 weeks, you will not even recognize her. Her baby will not enter her abroad.
Young man, this is your family. Will you use it to take care of my daughter?
Yes, Igwe. Her skin will be very big and she will be very clean.
My daughter, do you like it?
No, father. He doesn't have what it takes to be my husband. Igwe, my name is Ebuka the Hunter. You all know me as Ebuka the Hunter. I fear no animal, even in the evil forest. Animals seize me and run away. Even the lion, the king of the animals. I will use the skin of the tiger to sew a very beautiful clothes for her if she takes me as a husband.
Young man, with this your hunting, will you use it to take care of my daughter?
Yes, my king.
My daughter, do you like him?
No, father. He doesn't have what it takes to be a man.
Igwe, I am the daughter.
I use my hand. If I marry the princess, your daughter, I will take care of her. Any man who tries to disturb her, my right hand is for mortuary, my leg to cover their grave.
Young man, with this your hand, with this your boxing, will you use it to take care of my daughter?
Yes, I'm sure. My daughter, did you like him?
Yes, Father.
Let the song and dance begin. My daughter, did you like him?
Yes, Father. I love him so much.
Let the dance and song begin.